Exporting a sequence of images from an animation can be useful in a number of cases, predominantly for gaming, but also for integration with certain video editing software. In this lesson, we'll examine how to export a series of ping files from a library symbol instance. So here we have an animation, and we basically have a little IK armature within a movie clip symbol instance that's being tweened across a stage. If we go into this instance, we can see the IK layer and the different movements associated with this. So let's test this so we can see exactly how it looks. Control, test movie, test. And there is our sequence. So if we want to actually export this as a ping sequence, it's very easy to do so. We just click on that instance, right click, and scroll way down this big menu till we find export ping sequence. So if we choose this, we can choose where we want to actually export this to. So let's create a little folder here, and I'll just call this pingsec for ping sequence, and we'll save. Here we have the export ping sequence dialog, and in here we can choose the width and height of each ping that gets produced, and we can also choose the resolution in DPI and the colors, so 8-bit, 24-bit, or 32-bit, and whether we want to smooth the image or not. So these settings are usually fine by default, and I'm going to leave them at default, but if you have particular needs, you can always adjust them. So let's hit export. And there it goes. All right, so if I have a look in my little pingsec folder that I just created, we can see that there are all our little frame sequences that have been exported for us, and they're all numbered sequentially, and they're ready to be used inside of any other application that we want to bring them into. So very, very easy to create a sequence of pings out of these movie clip symbol instances. Note that we can also go directly to our library, choose a symbol itself, right click, and export a ping sequence directly from the library. So this has been an example of how to export ping sequences from Flash Professional CS6.